Come to Financial Literacy Class 101. Today we are talking about money market fund. So we'll focus on the advantages of money market fund. So I am sure you are asking what is this money market fund. Money market fund is a mutual fund that invests on low risk short-term debt securities. And which are these securities? Money market fund invests on securities such as treasury bill, treasury bond, municipal debt, or corporate bonds. So in short, money market fund is one thing. It is easy to join. What do I say? It's easy to join. Money market fund, they are threshold to join. There are some that are even 1,100 shillings. So, but others are 5,000. So it's according to you to know which is best to join. So another thing about money market fund, it is highly liquid. What do I mean highly liquid? Highly liquid, it means that once your cash is in money market fund, you really do not need that paperwork, sign in. You don't need that. Once from just the app, once you press withdraw, your money will get to either option number A, either to your bank account or to M-Pesa. The one that you select, and also it depends with the fund that with the type of fund that you are working with, which is your withdrawal method. So another thing, it is money market fund is regulated by Capital Market Authority. So in Kenya we have 29 types of money market funds, and all of the 29 are regulated. So if you are joining one, ensure it is regulated by Capital Market Authority. Capital Market Authority requires the fund manager, this person, the investor who is investing on debt securities, to have a guarantor, a trustee, and the guarantor and trustee are banks. So your cash is not with the fund manager, but it is with the trustee, and this trustee is a bank, and the bank, as regulated by Capital Market Authority, the fund manager only can invest on low risk securities, things like treasury bill. So they'll not. So money market fund, don't be deceived. This is not a money making scheme. So another thing about money market fund, if you have a business to invest, if you have an idea to invest, obvious the idea, because it is high risk, high return, head to the idea that you want to invest. But some of you maybe instead of saving your cash in the bank offers you 5 to 7% interest rate, while money market fund offers you from 12% to 18%. So instead of saving your cash in the bank, save it in the money market fund, because at the end of the day, if you save your money in the bank, remember the bank is investing it is lending other people at an interest. So for this channel, we focus on financial advice. We want you to get value of your money, so that you'll be at last you'll be financially successful upon attaining your financial freedom. So we want to capitalize on every interest. You get it? So instead of putting your cash where you're getting 5 to 7% interest, put it where you'll get 12 to 18%. So another advantage of money market fund, is that the Capital Market Authority always guide it has stated where this fund manager can invest the cash. So they have to invest in place where we are talking about low risk, low returns. So another thing is that once we talk about low risk, low returns, that guarantees your money will not be stolen. And anytime you have your cash in a money market fund and maybe it collapses, just head to the CBK, show the evidence that you made this transaction, and the fund manager with the trustee and the guarantor will have to refund your cash in whole percent. So another thing about money market fund, you can open various accounts. You can customize. So for those people in diaspora, you can open a diaspora account. If you maybe like you've just got your kid, you can open a junior account. You can open a joint account. Maybe you and your wife. Your wife, you really need to, or maybe your partner, you need to invest your cash. You can open you can open that. It has a group account, it has a chama account, all those options. So it is custom made to suit what you need. So if you are a group, you're saving as a group, you have that option. So another thing is that high returns than saving account. So money market fund, as per now, they are offering 12 to 18% interest rate per annum. So it has an interest than saving account. Instead of your cash just lies in the bank, then making only 5% interest, put it in money market fund as you are deciding what project to pursue. So let me not be mistaken. If you have a business idea that you want to operate, the business idea is high return, high risk, head to the business idea. But I know there are those guys who, instead of picking a salary loan to invest on a consumable, maybe you pick a loan and buying a car, and that loan is deducting cash from your salary. Instead, save your money. Once you save your money, instead of saving your the monthly installments that you would be using to service or finance the loan, instead of doing that, focus on saving that cash. Save that cash in the money market fund, and within time you will be able to leverage something we call power of compounded interest. Like we are saying, if every month you are save 10,000 per month, so in a year has 12 months, and you save it for the next 10 years, you will be once that cash has compounded, you will get a total of 2.3 million. And initially, what you had, the amount of cash that you had put for 10,000 times 12 months in the next 10 years is 1.2 million. So it means the power of compounding. Power of compounding means like you have a rabbit, then izae to rabbit twingine tudogo, then those rabbits they get their grandchildren. So that compound interest has a lot of power. So it means if you are saving 10,000, in 10 years you will be having every month 10,000, you will be having 2.3 million. 2.3 million, and initially the cash that you have staked there is 1.2. That is a profit of 1.1 million. Once we say an interest of 1.1, a profit of an interest of 1.1 million, it means the government will pick they pick their 15%, and 15% of the interest, so utabaki na 945,000. So it means like if you every month you deposit 10,000 in a money market fund, you are getting an interest of 7,000 per month in that duration. Kindly, I'm recording another video where I'll give these details. Follow up, and ensure if you find value of our content, share in your family group. Educate people. Our theme is to ensure the community boost its financial literacy. So another advantage of money market fund, you can exit without being penalized. So at any given time you always have that right to exit. So another thing is that you can withdraw all the cash and leave your balance zero at any given time. So there are different investment, and there are some investment that for you to leave, you need to give them a certain duration. Then you have to leave. There is that registration fee that you have to leave in that account. This has nothing with that. Money market fund, you can withdraw all your cash and you will be able to leave. So thank you for watching the content. If you find value for it, subscribe, leave a comment for YouTube algorithm to suggest this content to other people. Thank you.